Tella Cline shares Glenn Cerio lawsuit details. YouTuber Tella Cline shared on Saturday an extensive look into auditor and YouTuber Glenn Cerio's 8 pending small claims court cases against Mukilteo and Everett, Washington police officers, an Everett crime scene analyst, and Cline herself, set for hearings in August and September. All of the lawsuits against the police were featured in videos of Cerio questionably serving the participants at their perceived places of work. Cerio's father, Glenn Cerio Sr., yes, there are 2 of them, acted as his process server and served whomever showed up to talk to him about the lawsuit, regardless of their identity or ability to legally accept the documents. Again, all of the videos claim that Cerio was serving lawsuits of $50 million and $100 million, when in fact, Cerio was serving small claims court lawsuits with a possible award of $10,000. In at least one of the videos, he claimed that he was going through small claims court first and then would serve the participants with federal civil rights lawsuits later. Cerio may run into problems as, due to Washington state's qualified immunity laws, 6 of the participants, all police officers, have qualified immunity and cannot be sued for their actions. 3 of his police-related lawsuits are from an incident where he was arrested at a Mukilteo police station on January 14, 2022. He has added a specific charge against Officer Danielle Ball of accepting bribery gifts as she was sent a gift basket by YouTubers as an apology on behalf of the YouTubers for Cerio's behavior. Cerio equated that as a bribe that led to his arrest. In the second group of police lawsuits, Cerio was briefly detained in Everett as a shoplifting suspect. He claims he did not match the description of the suspect. He was never charged in the case. That was the incident where he claimed he was injured and needed to be escorted to the hospital via ambulance for the injuries he claimed that were the fault of the officers on the scene, yet none were observed on his video. In the case of Everett criminal analyst Erica Bennett, a civilian and not officially a police officer, Cerio is suing for her producing a bulletin about him, which was part of her duties with the police force, that contained his social security number and driver's license number. She may receive protection as she was acting in the course of her duties, despite Cerio's claim otherwise. Tella Cline's case is strange as Cerio is suing her for sharing an unredacted document that he had originally put on his own YouTube channel. That unredacted document was Bennett's bulletin, which was clearly featured in Cerio's video. From our understanding, she simply used part of his video that contained unredacted information. Since he had released the information, later to have it taken down for violating YouTube's privacy rules, sharing the video is not a crime. In all cases, Cerio is demanding $10,000 for loss of wages. Cerio does not list an employer or proof of time lost at a regular job. All of the hearings are expected to be held as Zoom calls with limited public access. Cline shared that the hearings against the various defendants are set for August 6th, August 20th, August 24th, and September 27, 2024, and all are preliminary mediation hearings. In the past, Cerio has had 3 lawsuits against Everett, Washington dismissed at the mediation hearings, and Cline said she is fully expecting all of the cases not to go to trial.